Hello student, I am Veena Dixit. Please subscribe my channel. If you are from US or other countries, European countries, please comment on it. Which country do you belong? If you are in Indian student or Pakistani student, you must like it. I think all of them must like my video. If you like it, please comment. And if you need some improvement by me, I will do it. And if you in class 12th, like it. If you are in class 11, then also you like it, because all this material is for you and you will get success with the help of all my videos. Please watch them carefully, you will get definitely success. Now we will go for this methyl orange preparation. So what is methyl orange and why we are preparing it? So this is name of the indicator is methyl orange. It is formed by the coupling of diazonium salt of sulfanilic acid with N-dimethyl aniline. What is sulfanilic acid? You should know first this. This is benzene ring. Here NH2 means if it is not there, then it will be aniline. So at the para position NH2 and at SO3 Na is here, that is sodium sulfonate group is over here. So then it is called sodium salt of sulfanilic acid. If it will be H, then we'll call it sulfanilic acid, but since here SO3 Na will be there, so it will be called sodium salt of sulfanilic acid. Clear to you? Now when it reacts with NaNO2 and HCl, what will happen? It will convert it into diazonium salt of sulfanilic acid. We need this diazonium salt of sulfanilic acid for the preparation of methyl orange indicator. So here see, this diazonium salt of sulfanilic acid react with dimethyl aniline. See, this is a benzene ring, this is N, two hydrogens from amino group is replaced by methyl group. So it is N, N dimethyl aniline. When react with sodium salt of benzene sulfanilic acid, at that moment we'll get this methyl orange indicator. Okay, so at the para position, this diazo group is, see, the whole of the group, this whole of the group, cleavage occur from here, Cl will be go away, and at the para position it is bonded with N double bond N, and this is sodium sulfonate with benzene ring, benzene sulfonate, okay, group over here. So this is methyl orange indicator. It is used in acid base titration. Again I will repeat, carefully listen to me. This is sodium here, sodium salt of sulfanilic acid. So benzene ring with NH2 and SO3H is known as sulfanilic acid. When H is replaced by Na, we call it sodium salt of sulfanilic acid.